Why you spin so? Are you dizzy trying to find a shipping company? Don't be dizzy no more, man. You found us, man. We are here to serve you. Ship your items with us and we get them delivered straight to you. If you are deep down in the countryside, we have our friends here to help you with that. We simply send your package down, you are a family member, go with your photo ID to collect your package. And you don't have to pay the extra, alright? Once you pay a simple invoice, everything good, you just go inside any of these Knoxville locations to pick up your package. Alright? So nobody spin all over the place. Everything good, we got is covered. Alright? Take care of your friend, walk good, and we'll see you later. And oh, before you go, there's a link somewhere down here. Click on that link. Scroll all the way to the end of that page. Click on promotions to see all the promotions we have. We have so many promotions, we can't even remember them, we have to write them down. So go ahead, scroll all the way to the end of the page, click on promotions to see all of our promotions.